Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add another bank account to Webull. So first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this Webull application. Launch the application. Then if you're using the latest version, you should see the Webull application below. Tap that one. Now you will see options such as assets, orders, transfers, history, and document. What you're going to do is you have to click transfers. And then here you will see options again such as deposit, withdraw, currency exchange, transfer in, transfer out. And below you will see link a bank account. So all you have to do is tap that one, link your bank account, just follow the instruction. Once done, you can click deposit. As you can see, this application uses this platform to connect to your bank. Just fill in some information and you're good to go. After that, just tap connect. In some countries, if they require this, you need to have this authentication. So you just have to enter the PIN and then click continue, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to add another bank account to Webull. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.